A dead battery. Every driver's worst nightmare. Until now. Introducing AlwayStart, the preventative smart battery protection device that keeps your vehicle ready before problems begin. This isn't a jump starter. AlwayStart steps in before your battery's drained. No trickle chargers, no jump starters, no cables or plugging your vehicle in. Installation is easy. Just attach the device directly to your battery. Secure it, close up, and forget about it. Literally. With our park and walk away technology, you'll install once and walk away knowing your battery will start even after 365 days of storage. AlwayStart stops parasitic drain before it causes damage. It lives permanently under your hood, quietly protecting your battery and reserving the energy needed to get you that perfect start every time. Leave your lights running all night? Ran the radio too long? A simple press of a button has you back in action immediately. AlwayStart helps extend your battery life by up to double, keeping you on the road for longer. Built solid state, AlwayStart is engineered to handle extreme heat, cold, vibration, and terrain. Validated by over 11,000 hours of real-world testing in extreme conditions across the U.S. From relaxed weekend drives to off-road adventures, hit the road with confidence on every single drive and end dead batteries for good. AlwayStart.